Tired of pet hair everywhere? You're not alone. Today we're showcasing 6 of the best pet hair vacuums on Amazon that tackle fur, dander, and allergens with ease. Use the links in the description for discounts. Let's get cleaning. We begin with a compact and highly convenient handheld option that's perfect for quick cleanups. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 1782. This lightweight cordless vacuum is ideal for grabbing whenever you spot fur on furniture, in the car, or on clothing. It includes a motorized brush tool that actively lifts embedded pet hair from upholstery and fabric surfaces, plus a crevice tool for reaching into tight spaces like car seats and corners, and an upholstery tool for larger fabric areas. Being completely cordless means you can grab it and go without hunting for an outlet or dealing with tangled cords. For pet owners who need a quick, portable solution for daily fur patrol, this handheld vac is a reliable, convenient, and affordable choice that makes spot cleaning effortless. Next, we have an upgraded version of that same proven concept, the Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum 2390A. This model features a lithium-ion battery that delivers consistent, fade-free power throughout your cleaning session and includes the same essential toolkit: a motorized brush, upholstery tool, and crevice tool. The Easy Empty Dirt Bin is designed for simple, mess-free disposal. Just press a button and the debris empties directly into your trash can. Its ergonomic design feels comfortable and balanced in hand, even during longer cleaning sessions. For those wanting a dependable cordless handheld with proven pet hair performance and enhanced battery technology, this Bissell model delivers excellent results and lasting reliability. Moving up to a full-size upright with serious cleaning power, we have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off Vacuum 39883. This vacuum combines powerful suction with a HEPA filter that traps allergens, making it an ideal choice for homes with allergy sufferers. The tangle-free brush roll is a standout feature. It's specifically designed to prevent pet hair from wrapping around the brush, saving you the messy, time-consuming task of cutting tangled fur off the roller. The innovative lift-off feature lets you detach the portable canister, transforming it into a lightweight pod for cleaning stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas with ease. For whole home cleaning with specialized pet features, this upright is a true workhorse. The Bissell 299. 8 Multi-Clean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum takes things even further with a HEPA filter-sealed system that traps 99.97% of dust, dander, and allergens inside the vacuum. The lift-off portable pod gives you maximum flexibility for above-floor cleaning, while bright LED headlights illuminate hidden debris on floors and under furniture. Specialized pet tools help tackle stubborn fur on upholstery and stairs, and the Easy Empty Dirt Tank keeps your hands clean during disposal. For pet owners wanting a comprehensive whole-home cleaning system with powerful allergen control, this model offers exceptional versatility and performance. Another excellent upright contender is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Lift-Off Vacuum 3774F. It features a self-cleaning brush roll that actively removes hair wrap as you clean, so you never have to manually cut tangled fur off the brush again. HEPA filtration ensures allergens are trapped securely inside. The Turbo Brush Pivot tool is specially designed for stairs and upholstery, providing powerful agitation to lift deep down pet hair. The LED-lit dusting brush and crevice tool help you see and clean in dark corners and tight spaces. With powerful suction and thoughtful pet-specific features throughout, this vacuum is a top contender for serious pet owners. Finally, we step into the future of floor cleaning with the Tyneco Floor 1S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This innovative machine vacuums and mops hard floors simultaneously, picking up both dry debris like pet hair and wet messes in a single pass. Its smart digital display shows real-time performance updates, battery life, and maintenance alerts. It's specifically designed to tackle sticky messes and embedded pet hair on hard floors, leaving them spotless and dry. The space-saving design means it stores easily in small spaces. For homes with hard floors and pets, this wet-dry vac is a game-changing all-in-one solution that simplifies cleaning dramatically. From cordless handhelds for quick spot cleaning to powerful uprights with lift-off technology and smart wet-dry vacs, these 6 vacuums offer effective, reliable solutions for pet hair cleanup. The right vacuum doesn't just clean, it saves you time, reduces allergens, and makes your home truly feel cleaner. Check the links in the description for the best prices on these top-rated vacuums and breathe easier with a cleaner, fur-free home starting today.